After solving the first layer, now we have to solve the second layer, which is the blue, red, or green, and orange. And the third layer is yellow. So we have to look for all the non-yellow side to be put at all the places here. Okay, now we look for, okay, this is one good example. Red, green, red, green. So red is here, green is here. So we have to move away from the green, so that we can come to the red. You see the red color move up here. You see, so that this red will comes back here, and we put it here. So now it's red, red, green, green. Now in order to put it back, to put it here, we should not be moving any of these two. So what we do is we move it here, and we move it back here to put the white back, and you see, that's it. This is the first of the second layer. Now we have to look for another. Okay, this is blue and red. So blue, where's the blue? Okay, this is the blue. And where's the red? Red is here. So we have to move away from the red, and we take this up, and we push it to the side so that the blue, you see the blue here, will move, will come back together and join, and this is the blue, blue, red, red, white. So we, in order not to disturb these two, we have to move it here on the right, and we take it up, and we move it to the side, and that's it. Blue, red, green. That's very nice. Okay, now is green and orange. So it's green and orange, and orange is here. We have to move it away from the orange so that we can come up here, and it goes back here, and it goes down here, and you see it goes nicely green, orange, white. So now in order not to move these two, you have to move it away from here to move back up here, and there it goes. See, orange, green, red, blue. Now there's one more here. Okay, that is here, orange and blue. So it's blue and orange, so we move away from the orange side so that when it comes here, it goes here and it comes back. So it's with this. So what you do is we have to move, not in order not to touch these two, to move it here, and we shift it up here, and we put it here, and that's it. Green, orange, blue, red, green. This is the two layers. This is done. Second layer is done. It's very simple.